So what is the meaning of geometry? If we discuss in geometry, coordinate denotes the position of a point. Coordinate denotes position of a point. For example, if we have a plane that is known as Cartesian plane. Here we have x-axis and here we have y-axis. This is origin which we are denoting with O. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and likewise up to infinite. -1, -2, -3 on the same distance. Okay, we have to mark all the points at the same distance. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and we have infinite numbers and the positive as well as in negative direction. Okay, so now if a coordinate is 0, 0, it means if a coordinate is 0, 0, let's say this is 0, 0. Why? Because the position of coordinate, that is, let me write down 0, 0. So the position of the coordinate, that is x is also 0, y is also 0. Because whenever we write coordinates in 2D, that is two-dimensional geometry, whenever we write the dimensions, first of all we are writing the value of x, comma, then y. So 0, first 0 denotes the value of x and the meeting point or the intersection of both of the axes, that is x-axis and y-axis, denotes 0, 0. So this point is, that is O, is 0, 0. So this is denoting exactly the position of a point. If somebody says find out the position of 2, 3, let me write down 2, 3. 2, 3. So this is 2, so this is 2 and this one is 3. Why we have taken 2 for x and why we have taken 3 for y? Because first of all we are writing the value of x and then we are writing the value of y. And this point, as you can see, this point, this is 2, 3. Is it clear? So it is also denoting its position. If its name is, let's say this name is A, so the position of A is 2, 3. Likewise, we can denote the position of any point. For example, let's say, just let me shift this. For example, you are going in a cinema hall. For example, you are going in a cinema hall and your ticket number is E2. Okay, this side we have the screen and here are the sitting arrangements. Okay, likewise we are having sitting arrangements. This row is denoting, this column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and likewise this is A, B, C and these are the sitting arrangements and likewise we have D and E. Okay, so I'm just making some of the sitting arrangements. These are the sitting arrangements. Okay, let me make all the sitting arrangements. I'm just writing, making by O so that it will be done as soon as possible. Okay, and we have F also. These all are sitting arrangements. These all are seats. Okay, now how you will find your seat? How you will find the position of your seat? So that is E2. So first of all, what you will do? You will go to the E and then you will find second one. So this is your position, or you will go for second position and then you will find E. So this is your position. So this is the position of your seat and you can sit and you can sit there and you can enjoy your movie. So this is how coordinate geometry works. One more example. Okay, you must have heard about longitude and latitudes. Okay, so this is our earth. We have longitudes as well as latitudes. Whenever a captain of a ship sails his ship or a pilot flies his aeroplane. So they have the coordinates according to the longitude and latitude. They have to go at that position, because in air, in sky, or in ocean or sea, we cannot judge just by seeing in which direction, because normally in our cities or villages we are having the roads that we have to go left, then we have to right, then we will reach our school. But in sky and in water we don't have any roads, so we have longitudes and latitudes, that this is the position. Okay, so they have to reach at the particular longitude and latitude by whatever the path is given to them. Okay, so this is how the coordinate geometry works. For example, they have to reach here from here, so they will get the position that you have to go first of all to this coordinate, then this coordinate, then this coordinate, because in between there may be some land also. Let's say this is land, so they cannot go directly if they are in sea, so they have to reach here. Let's say this is the first coordinate, then they have to reach here. Let's say this is the second coordinate, and they can directly reach here. This is the destination. So likewise coordinate geometry works in our day-to-day life also. So this is how it is working. Okay, and in the same way the pilot also fly his aeroplane. Okay, they have also path with longitude and latitudes, and with the obviously modern devices they can see on which longitude and latitude they are flying. Is it clear? Now this was the introduction of coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry tells us the position of a point, in the given plane. Is it clear?